Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you one of those people who remembers the days when having a BlackBerry Classic meant you were at the top of your game? It was a status symbol, a true icon. But then came Android and iOS, and the BlackBerry brand just disappeared. If you've been missing those days, I have some electrifying news for you. The BlackBerry Classic is making a comeback, and it's not just a nostalgic trip. This time, it's returning with that old school swagger, and some seriously powerful new features. The best part, you're getting BlackBerry's signature physical keyboard, and that iconic touchpad, all in one device. So, without further ado, let's start. Features of the BlackBerry Classic 5G. Design and display. First things first, let's talk about the look. The new Classic 5G keeps that retro design we all loved. It features a beautiful 4.2-inch LCD display, complete with that legendary physical keyboard, the classic LED notification lights, and the unmistakable BlackBerry style. But here's the major upgrade. The screen now boasts a 90 Hz refresh rate, making everything from scrolling through your feeds to playing games feel incredibly smooth. It's the perfect blend of old-school charm and modern tech. Camera setup. Now, for the camera. Don't let the classic design fool you. This phone is packing some serious firepower. It features a single camera setup, with a massive 100-megapixel primary camera with OIS support. We're talking about incredible photos with stunning detail. And for all you selfie lovers, there's a 16-megapixel front camera to capture those perfect shots. Performance. When it comes to performance, this isn't your average revival. Powering this beast is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. That's the same chip found in many of today's top-tier flagship phones. So you can forget about lag. It's an absolute powerhouse. As for the operating system, it's expected to run on Android 14, which means you'll have access to all the modern apps and games you could ever want. Battery life. The BlackBerry Classic 5G is rumored to have a massive 4550 mAh battery. The company is claiming that with normal use, this phone can last 2 to 3 days on a single charge. Imagine not having to worry about your battery dying in the middle of the day. Price and launch date. Now for the million-dollar question, the price and launch date. The estimated price for this phone is around $350, making it a surprisingly affordable flagship option. And the best part, it's expected to be released by the end of this year. So, do you think it has what it takes to compete in today's market? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.